Okay, this one actually find the equation of the parabola whose tangent line at this point, which means, okay, first of all, right there, it's telling me this point is on this parabola, right? Okay. Then it says has an equation of this. What is that telling you? So it's got point of intersection at 1, 1. What else is it telling you about this? This line is telling you what about this parabola? So this line, let me draw a rough line. Let's say like this is -2, and the slope is like that. That line right there is somehow tangent. So let's say point 1, 1 is here. Okay, so 1, 1 is there. So it's doing this. It's something like that. Or I guess you could do something like this too. Does that make sense? That's just my guess. Okay. So it's definitely the parabola either way has a point 1, 1. But also at x equals 1, right? The slope, the instantaneous slope for the parabola is 3. It's got to be 3. Okay, so with this point, I can say this. I can plug it into the equation. So I can say, well, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to a plus b. Okay. And with the second information, I can find the derivative dy over dx. That's equal to 2ax plus b, right? A and b are constants. You just leave them alone. Okay, maybe I should do this. A times by the derivative of x squared is 2x. This is just going to be, if you differentiate that, you get 1. So you get that, right? So you get 2ax plus b. Okay, so you should do this too. I like to write the numbers first, the digits first, and then the algebra part at the back. Okay, just to be consistent. Okay, this is going to be when x is equal to 1, which means if you replace that with 1, you get 2a plus b. That's going to equal to 3. So this is our second equation. So we have equation 1, equation 2. To get the answer that we want, we just need to find a and b. Is that going to give us a and b? Right, it will, right? This is a little bit different question from earlier where you had to find the tangent line. I've given you the tangent line. I want you to tell me the equation, right? Okay, and that's how you use the two information that's given. There's two information, the point and the slope.
How did you get equation 1?
Equation 1 I got from this point is on the parabola. That means when you replace the x with 1 here, 1, 1, you get, and then you also have to, that means you can also replace y with 1. So you get 1 is equal to a plus b. Okay, so now I'm going to just do elimination. I'm going to say equation 2. So 2a plus b is equal to 3. Equation 1, a plus b is equal to 1. And subtract this. Okay, a is equal to 2. Since a plus b is equal to 1, b must equal to negative 1. Okay, therefore, our final answer that we want is ax. So 2x squared minus x.